The United States Navy had a big plan. That plan is to build a fleet of sea drones, futuristic unarmed ships that could sail the ocean, and that too without a single sailor on board. The goal was very clear: match and outsmart China's growing dominance in the waters of the Pacific. But now that dream seems to be slowing down. Let's break down the story now. These drones were meant to change the way the war are fought at the sea. Think about it. Think of them as floating robots that could spy, patrol, and even fight without risking the lives of American sailors. The Navy hoped that this would give them an edge against China, which has been building warships at a record pace. But let me show you reality here. As always, the reality is proving much harder than the dream. The project is facing setbacks. Some of these sea drones are struggling with technical glitches. Others aren't performing really well as they were promised in the rough waters. And then there's questions of money also. Billions of dollars are needed to make them work on a large scale. And critics in Washington are already questioning whether it's really worth the cost or not. In the meantime, China is not slowing down either. It is rapidly expanding its navy, producing destroyers, submarines, and even its own drone system. The balance of power in the Pacific is shifting, and the United States cannot afford delays if it wants to stay in control of the world's busiest ocean. Here, experts say that these challenges are a reminder of something bigger. Technology alone cannot guarantee dominance, right? Even the most advanced machines need testing. They need strategy, political willpower. The United States Navy drone system is still alive, but the setbacks show that the catching up with China's speed and scale won't be easy. This isn't just about ships and drones anymore. It's about who controls the global trade routes, military bases, and influence in Asia for decades to come. Now, for Washington, every single delay in the sea drone system feels like giving Beijing more time to strengthen its grip on the ocean.